Here's problem 1, and we want to solve this by factoring. So the first thing we need to do is get it into standard form. There is no c here, so I'm going to go ahead and add a 0 in place of c because there's no constant. And now we need to get rid of this 14. It's a positive, so we're going to subtract it on both sides. I put it underneath that 0 because those are like terms. So we have b squared plus 5b minus 14 equals 0. And now it's in standard form, so we can label a, b, and c. A is the coefficient 1, b is 5, and c is negative 14. So I can go ahead and I can draw my box. I'm going to put my first term, b squared, in the top right, and my c, negative 14, in the bottom right. Sorry, b squared in the top left. So what are my factors of negative 14, factors of c, that add up to b? Factors of negative 14, let's see, we have negative 1, 14, we have positive 1, negative 14, 2, negative 7, negative 2, and positive 7. So let's find which of these factors then adds up to positive 5. Negative 1 plus 14, that adds up to 13. So those won't work. 1 plus negative 14 gives me a negative 13. Doesn't work. 2 plus negative 7 equals a negative 5. We're getting close, but that negative sign is wrong. So negative 2 plus 7 equals 5. And here are the factors that work. So I know b times b gives me b squared. Negative 2 and positive 7 are my factors of c. And those will then add up to that positive 5b. So I'm going to write it in factored form. Now to solve, I'm going to set both sides equal to 0. And I'm going to treat these like two separate equations. Here, 7 is being added to b, so I'm going to subtract it on both sides. b equals negative 7. 2 is being subtracted, so I do the opposite. I add 2 to both sides, so b equals 2. And here are my two solutions and roots for this problem.